Welcome to IndianShareTips.com, and it is important to undertake an analysis of the events which are happening near us, and one such event is the Taliban taking over Afghanistan. So a lot of questions come to the mind that why India has been investing so much in Afghanistan, and we have invested close to $3 billion in Afghanistan in form of dams, road infrastructure, parliament house and other aspects. So we have big money at stake, and why we have taken such a gamble needs to be undertaken in a global perspective. In 2015, Prime Minister Narendra Modi had inaugurated the new Afghanistan Parliament House built by India at the cost of $90 million, describing it as his country's tribute to democracy in Afghanistan. The next year, Modi unveiled the renovated 19th century Store Palace in Kabul that was home to Afghan King Amanullah Khan during his reign in the 1920s. And in year 2016, India inaugurated Salma Dam, a significant infrastructure undertaken in the western city of Herat that allows water access to the surrounding districts and the irrigation of thousands of hectares of land. With Indian investment in other highway and building projects in total, India has put around $3 billion investments into Afghanistan, and we become the largest regional donor to the country. So a question comes to the mind that why we are putting so much infrastructure investment free of cost in Afghanistan. So main you can understand with the perspective that we do not like China and Pakistan coming and surrounding us from the Afghanistan side also. China will be liking to come into Afghanistan, and it will strengthen their policy of pearls in the string that will be tightening around India from all these sides. So it has been stated that you have to live with your neighbors with whatever constraints you have, and so accordingly with this logic we are trying to improve the relationship with Afghanistan so that we have a route access from Iran. Now have a look, trade with Afghanistan. Shortest route to Afghanistan is via Pakistan, but Pakistan as usual will play dirty politics and will not allow us to move the goods to Afghanistan through its land routes. So the easiest path thereafter is for us to send the goods to Iran's Shabar port, which I will just explain you. Here you see from Mumbai to Chabar in Iran, we send the goods, and from there we send the goods to Kabul. So as you can see that this becomes a better route, not the best one, but a better route for the transportation of the goods, and for the movement of goods within the Afghanistan we had to develop the road infrastructure. Somebody may also ask that why we have invested so much money in Salma Dam. This is the Salma Dam. The reason behind is that if a country progresses by virtue of good cultivation, it is good for us. If you have a good neighbor around you and not a beggar around you, you can be rest assured that they will not be committing theft in your own house. So it is always an endeavor to wish that our neighbors grow and they lead a peaceful life. So once they have dam and water is available, and they can do cultivation, improve on their earning capacity and other aspects. And for the democracy, we have given them a new parliament house, and it's sorry to see it going in the hands of Taliban. However, remember that in politics there are no permanent friends or foes, it's only the permanent interest, and it is in our interest to keep Afghanistan within our fold so that China and Pakistan do not gain access to the region. This is the reason that why India has invested $3 billion into the region, and we wish all the best whosoever comes in the power to have good relationships with India. Signing off. If you like our video, please remember to subscribe to our updates and give a thumbs up to the channel. Subscribe to Thumbs Up. Visit our website for our best bank nifty option tips, delivery or intraday stock / commodity tips. Thank you.